Hello, this is the prototype of our project, Ethernest, an SMS-based home automation with enhanced security features. Now let's have a look at all its modules one by one. This is the password protected gate. Now let's see if I enter the correct password, that is 1523. Now let me enter it 1523. Now the gates will be automatically opened. Let's see. Now if I enter the wrong passwords, it will give me 3 tries. Now let's enter the wrong password. For instance, I type 115. Now it says try again. Now for the second chance, 777. It again says try again. For the third and the final chance, I type 444. It says threat, and a message will be instantly sent at my mobile phone. Now let's look at my mobile screen. Now this is my mobile screen. I wait for the SMS, and instantly there would be a SMS sent to my number. See, the message has arrived. The message says threat at your home. Now again there's one more security feature, that if I try to break open the house, now let's see, if I try to just push the house gate through, there would be the sensor, that the sensor would be going, red. It means alert, and because of it a buzzer would go that is actually not installed. We'll be installing it shortly, and an SMS will be sent to the user. Now let's wait for the SMS to arrive. This is my mobile screen, and we are actually waiting for the message to arrive. The message will be directly sent through the GSM chip that is installed in the circuit house of the house. Now this is I have received the message. It says someone in your house without your permission, and it says high alert. Now there is one more feature, that is enhanced security, that if I try to retrieve my password, that if I forget my password, what will happen? I just need to send retrieve from my phone to the number, and the GSM chip would recognize my number, and the correct password would be sent on my number. Now let's see how it does. I type on my mobile retrieve password and send to the GSM thing. Now I wait for the message to arrive. The GSM would actually send me the correct password, so that if I forget my password in between, I can retrieve it. And it has one more facility actually. Now let's see how the password arrives. I got the password, and it will definitely show my password. Your password is 1523. Now it has one more facility, like I can change my password from the SMS itself. This is the MQ2 gas LPG sensor, and beside it is the temperature sensor. These are installed for the safety purpose. For example, if there is leakage of LPG in the house, I could directly control the windows through remote, and the LPG can be shut it off. Now this is the main important feature, the Ethernet control of the home automation system. For example, I have switched on the bulb, and definitely, for example, if I switch on the sprinkler also. Now let's see how the sprinkler goes on. First of all, the bulb did you previously saw, I just clicked on the on the relay, and the bulb just started to glow. And this for the case of sprinkle. Example, if you want to water your plants, you can directly do it with the Ethernet, and similarly you can control all the other features. This is the water level. This is the automatic tanky. For example, if you want to fill in the water automatically, it would be able to do it. And also, if there is at a threshold level, if there's a shortage of water, it will automatically fill up the water to the brink. Now this is the important feature of the automatic garage, operated through image processing. This is the video camera installed at the roof actually of the house, of the garage, and if I just clip the car in, it would detect the car, and automatically the gates of the garage would open. See, to the motor the gates are connected, and there is automatic initialization of opening of the gates. Now if I just slide the car in, and after a set amount of time, the gates would automatically stop. Now the gates would automatically close. This is the very important feature of car detection, and we are trying to incorporate voice controlled main gate and remote control windows. Now, as already stated, the advantages of such a system would be like For it is designed for domestic use, but also could be installed on shops, offices, and small-scale industries without much trouble and with a small change of assemblies. Now, this is all from our side. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.